Okay, so this is a fairly new chart. I just have my foundation levels. I just have my foundations levels here and um, a couple of trend lines. It's supposed to be monthly. Then weekly. I don't know what this time here. I don't think there's a clear trend line for weekly. Um, yeah, it kind of cuts through price. If I put on majority, I guess it'll be around there. I don't like them though. I'll go back here. Mm, just still kind of trending down. Um, None of that looks good, so I'm just not gonna have a weekly trend line. Weekly. Mm, either be there or there. Mm, I'll do both. This one already played out. You don't really need it, but it's not bothering me. Okay, so on the daily, right, it is on an uptrend. Mm, Near a daily foundational level. It's just the daily right here. this is yeah, both of these are really good points. See, if I had a line right here, be touch, 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 and then touch, 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 almost touch. So yeah, it's at a kind of like a key level right here. And then even it touches here. Maybe on a smaller time frame, that would be a zone. Let's go to 4 hours. I don't know what that's doing there. Okay, so for 4 hours, start doing the zones. Zone there. Don't really need a zone here because I have my daily level, but just for emphasis, I'll go ahead and place it. I'll just make it a little thinner. It's right here. I think that's kind of like maybe a 1 hour zone. I mean, but I do see it clearly on here. I'll mark it. Up, 4. Okay. And let's do my 4 hour trend line. There's one. Let's do another one. Yeah. And oh yeah, it was something else I wanted to see on daily. Mm, um, no. Okay. Okay. So I'll put it through there. Kind of through price, but I'm gonna put it back up here. Because, well, I'll wait till I get to the 1 hour to see why. But for the 4 hour, main structure was here. This is definitely a zone here. A bunch of zones through here. But yeah, this is definitely a 4 hour zone. See that? Okay. All right. So for the 4 hour, it was impulse correction, continuation. Oh, yeah. 4 hour. Walk through. Trying it. Walk through. Trying. With no retest. To come down. Trying. Also. No. Abstract has been broken. Right is testing a zone the is still on uptrend until the downtrend is confirmed. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour. Wait. What else is going on with the 4 hours? Look at these candlesticks. Bullish, bullish. Mm, it's that is bearish, but it's not like aggressive like this is. This is a huge bullish candle. Um, then you see the wicks there showing that the buyers are running out. But I mean, they put up a good fight though. And it did just go down to retest this zone. Um, so yeah, it's not really aggressive. Um, bearish momentum, and I need my RSI. What I don't need, the volume candles. Make that a little bit smaller. Let's see. Is this? This is 4 hour divergence. lower high, lower high, lower high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. And since that's going on, should I put it here? Maybe here. Uh, yeah, why not? Why not? Just makes sense. Okay, so for the 1 hour, uh, let's see, where did this come from? It's probably an old fit. Let me get rid of it for now. Not an old fit, but okay. Wow. Um, hmm, what am I looking at? What am I looking at? This price like real stank. Real stank. I mean, I wouldn't want to do that though because my second point would be slashing right through price, even though it picks back up a price. No, I don't like that. I don't. Then I think that it's nasty. Uh, nope. Mm, I mean, oh wow, that's why. Mm, mm, maybe this will be the 1 hour. I don't like it though. Really, I don't. Okay, so 1 hour structure. Over here, you have your impulse correction continuation, and I'm sure that completed the fib. Yeah, or even this one. Either one of them. I'll just leave it there. Okay, so that's impulse correction continuation. This is last higher. No. Lower high. Let's go ahead and do a zone there. Yeah. Is it here? Or is it here? Slow touches here. Let's make you okay. All right. So this is price on the downtrend. Price did go above. Go above here. It did. This is. I don't think this is a good song. Maybe. Mm, it's better. Mm, yeah. Mm, okay, we'll try this one out. Or it could be up here. Is this what I said? Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. So Bryce did take out this area right here, making the 1 hour and uptrend. I'm sure there's a trend line. Probably here. It was broken and retested. Okay. One arrow on an uptrend. Um, Divergence form showing a downtrend or pullback approaching. Price did break above the last lower high to form a higher high. Price is now retesting a 4 hour zone and previous level. Oh, it's not previous level of resistance. Mhm. Back where you were. Okay. What else? What else? What else? So, I mean, it has been a holiday, so price is just really, it's just messy. I mean, it's a pretty aggressive impulse here. Doesn't have much pullbacks right here, pullback to previous level of resistance. Right here, it didn't quite pull all the way back. Um, right here, so another pullback. Are any of these pullbacks large enough for a fib? Yeah. Okay. This last pullback here, like barely. I mean, it hit 23. Let's see. Yeah, all these pullbacks are 23. Okay. Yep. All of them. So that's just stating that yeah, back to 23. Was that 23.6? 6. Indicating a continuation of the fib, but be mindful that there is a higher time frame divergence that could A larger pull back to another level to another level or to a deeper level. Okay, so that's 1 hour. What else is 1 hour showing me? Mm, Spotted. All right, let's go to do 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Man, I guess that don't look like a completed fib right there. Nope. Yeah, it's hard to do a fib because the pullbacks hasn't been good. And stretch price. This price movement is garbage. It's not saying nothing, but I'm moving. I'm going somewhere, but where? Where are you going? What exactly are you doing? See, because if I move that there, you're hitting that trend line. I'm not gonna force it. Okay, but on 30 minutes, we have another zone right up through here. Let's see if price looks any better on 15 minutes. Um, impulse correction, continuation, impulse. Mm, nope, it's not speaking to me at all. Not at all. Price is saying nothing. It's probably, yeah, it's pretty much the whole week. Okay, so the only thing that it said is there was divergence here. I guess a trade could have been taken here. Would have been a test, break, and retest. But where would you take it down to? See, it's hard to tell on this chart because I just marked all this up. Like, would this have been a zone? Or would this have been a zone? If this was a zone, I mean, I guess that would have been like 50 pips. This to here. What is 90? And then down here, 130. But yeah, so that would have been an entry. Probably only taking it to here. Yeah. And then that is another entry. I guess taking it to here. And then I don't think this would have been worth it. Well, it's 50 pips. Taking it to there. Okay, so it was a little something happening. A little possibility to make a little money last week. I wasn't in the charts. Not as bad as what I thought. Then let's see, maybe probably real ugly. But yeah. Okay. There were a few opportunities to make a little money. Make a little something. All right, that's it. I don't know what prices go to. Is this diversions? Oh, wait. There's still more story to be told. Market still talking. All right. This is a lot of divergence. Well, everything gotta be so messy though. Okay, so maybe the price go above there, take it back up to there, but I guess that's kind of like not really worth it. Um, we could go back up here, retest that previous level of support. Maybe there should be a little zone right here. Okay. Yep, that's it. On minor structure price is a downtrend, 15-minute, fifth, reset, divergence, formed, looking for to either continue selling or get an impulse to break structure and confirm an uptrend. Need more price to play out. No entries or bias. Yeah.